it's Melanie Bremner here again today. Today I just thought I'd like to talk to you about Cash Crate. As some of you may know or may not know, I am a work from home mom, and I make a daily living using several sites. Some people just have jobs where they work as a customer service for a company or so, and they work it every day, and they have scheduled hours. I've tried that. I've tried ghostwriting. I've tried various things. I was a virtual assistant for several years, but I found that the best thing that worked for me was being able to do whatever I could whenever I could with my children and whatnot. I like to just have control of all my hours and what I do, and I found that I'm not really the type of person who works that well having clients and whatnot. So I decided to see what I could and make sites like this, get paid to sites, survey sites, microtask sites, and a little bit of transcription work for me to create a full-time income. These are all known as side gigs, and while they cannot make enough money for you to pay your bills alone, if you can create a schedule and work them together, then you can indeed start making enough to pay your bills. So I just wanted to run through them all, and share with you how I use them and what they look like on the inside. And hopefully you can get started too if you're an introvert like I am and prefer to just do your own thing. And so we'll start today with Cash Crate, and I will be making videos hopefully every day to show you all the various ones that I do use. And if you would like to know a list of all of them and get started on your own, then you can go to my site, just the workfromhomeway.com, and that's a squeeze page, so you can just opt in and I'll give you the list that I use, and I'll send you some tips and advice for making it work and how to build up your full-time income. So let's get started, shall we? So Cash Crate is free to join. When you join, you will get $1. You can cash out after 20. So see here, I need 19 more again to cash out. Every time you cash out, you'll go back to the original dollar and start again. So what I do, I don't spend a lot of time on this site because, like I said, I have other sites that I like to work every day as well. So I go down to the surveys and I go through. These are surveys that you can do every day and get money for them. Some of them you will not qualify for, but usually you at least get a couple out of it that you qualify for. So on average, you can probably make anywhere from $30 to $80 just by doing these surveys every day. And that may not seem like very much, $30 to $80 a month just for surveys, but considering it only takes me on average less than an hour, depending on how many surveys I even have to go through, because the average survey is about 15 minutes. You know, that's not that bad. Some people may think it is, but like I said, I don't mind. I make money in different other ways as well. And one of the other ways is, after you've done your surveys, you can also get money with referring others. So you can promote yourself. You can get different banners and whatnot, and it shows you all the different ways that you can get more referrals. And once you get and once your referrals start adding up, then that's where the extra cash comes in. And as long as you're going in every day and keeping your account active and making your own money, then it will add up to more than $30 to $80. Some people I've known have made enough money over the years just from referrals for sites like Cash Crate and Treasure Trooper and a few of the other sites I'll be showing you in the future. It can be done if you are consistent and keep working it every day and promote all the time. There's so many other home businesses and whatnot out there that you know, it's the same regardless of what you choose to do and what program you choose to go with or programs. As long as you have a schedule and are good at organizing and are consistent at doing the work as well as promoting, then it will pay off for you in the end. Like in every job, you just have to work it or it won't work for you. So there's also bonus surveys, and you can do offers. When I first started, I got into the offers as much because they were more money, so I wanted to see if I could get my first $20 as quick as possible and go from there, just to make sure that they paid, because that's one thing that I check when I even though I do due diligence and talk to people who've on forums who have been involved in programs like this, or I read reviews, I still like to see the process myself. So yes, some of these are free offers. You can just sign up, put your email in and whatnot, and they pay you for it. Others you may have to put in a small deposit or pay for a trial, but for the ones that you pay for a trial, they usually pay out more, and you just make sure that if you have a 7-day trial that you get in there on the 6th day and you cancel it, and then you won't be charged any more than the initial $1 or $2 for the trial. So as long as you can do that and you keep, that's why I said you need to keep organized so that you can have lists and whatnot for everything you need. And if you're concerned that you're not going to be able to do it very well, then just start out small with a couple sites. You may not make that much money, but at least you can get the organizing down pat. You can figure out what works for you, what you like, what not, and you can go from there and build up from there. You can also do videos, and I haven't tried these yet, but some people like it. I've heard it's a quick way and entertaining way to make another few dollars. So as you can see, there's lots of different things on here you can do. You can even, if you're a shopper, you can even go and get money back and whatnot for cashback shopping. So for me, it says online shopping available to me is 0, because it's probably because I'm Canadian. A lot of these sites, if you're American, you have tons of offers and opportunities, and if you're Canadian or European or from any of the other countries, they're not quite up to speed yet with offers. A lot of the companies that are involved with this, that put their offers on, they know that America, like especially the States, is where a lot of the money is going to be generated from. So they haven't yet extended their offers to other countries. But the more popular that this kind of site is, and the more time goes by and people start making money online, companies will see that the opportunity is better for them to extend as far as they can, because they can get more customers and clients and make more money themselves. So I kind of went off on a wild tangent here, but I just wanted to share with you that this is one of the sites that it's been around forever. I'm not quite sure, I can't remember when it started, but I think it was like, it's been at least 8 years, 10 years. So yeah, if you have any questions or you want any more information, just be sure to, you can drop by my main website, which is the workfromhomeway.info, and I have videos there. I have free reports. I have other blog posts on various ways to make money. There's some job leads on there, and I can certainly help you out. You can always email me. I have a contact form on there, and I'll leave a link for you to sign up at Cash Crate underneath this video, and feel free to contact me. I've been working online from home since 2006, when I decided to have my second family. So I couldn't imagine going and working for somebody else again now. I do whatever I can. I'm always checking out new programs, and because I know just how important it is to be able to stay home and still look after your family, see them grow, and yet still be able to provide for your family in any way that you can. So I guess I'll sign off for now, and I hope to see you again tomorrow or the next day when I share with you another video. Take care now.